Taylor and I'm from Food Truck Friday. I'm one of the co-founders of this event and we just really love hosting it for Port Elizabeth. It came about last year November was our first event. It grew really bigger than we ever anticipated. We wanted to involve the community, the street food community, and just grow the industry in Port Elizabeth. So yeah, we got about 12 food trucks together for the first event, and it just sort of grew and caught on after that. People in PE, they like things, so they just came down and had a door, and it is what it is today. An event where we celebrate community, we celebrate food and street food culture.
Inspired by design. I integrate design by my own stamping techniques, and yeah, you can find my work in the Heartfelt Emporium. Heartfelt is all about community, and this is where artisans can freely express themselves. So this is why I'm here.
So today we're out here at Food Truck Friday. It's the 16th of June. It's Youth Day, and we're really celebrating youth culture and food culture in Port Elizabeth. We've got about 4 bands here, 4 local bands, that we're trying to empower and give them a platform to showcase their talents and to showcase their different music scenes.